O ako na lang. Ako na lang nito. Mamaya ka na sa mga concert.
So very, very long ago, but at the same time, like it was just yesterday.
Brings back memories. Kung makakabalik lang tayo sa nakaraan.
I became emotional because I saw our innocence, our youth, when everything was simple and true.
Kung nagkakilala kami sa Dear Heart. After Dear Heart, meron siyang ginawa, meron din akong
It was so funny because they asked me, who would you like your leading man to be? And I said, anybody but Gabby Concepcion. Because I didn't know him and it was very unfair to him, but I thought, kasi mestizo.
And then PSI Love You, nagkasama kami ulit. And then tuloy-tuloy na.
It was towards the end of Dear Heart that we realized we had something. Then syempre ligaw na. And then it was during dubbing, post-production, when we were dubbing, putting our voices to our scenes in MPL Studios in Parañaque. And then I said, I answered him to become his girlfriend on June 26, 1981. I remember that.
Sa movie na to, naging girlfriend ko siya rito. And ang umpisa, PSI Love You.
Love should not be a heavy feeling. It should not make you suffer. Love should make you happy. It's a smile in the heart. It makes you come alive. Love makes you want to fly. You know.
Yeah, well, that line is applicable for, of course, a relationship. Would be nice if that we can carry that on to the day we die.
And during these days, I felt like a princess and that I was going to live a fairy tale. Because all throughout my childhood, I felt like I was living in a fairy tale. So I really thought it would never end, that I would find my Prince Charming, and I did. And then, of course, things changed. So, yeah, brought back all those long-forgotten memories.
Dito kami naging close because of the movies that we did. If it was not for work, sa tingin ko, hindi magiging kami. Pero it was because of work that made us have time together. And that's what brought us to all the history that we see right now.